Hey guys, Steph here from North Shore Bronco. I have my friend Dave with me, and now I'm going to try to put the top on. So I'm going to time and see how long that takes. I'm going to try to do it on my own. If I can't, then he'll help me, of course. I don't want to damage anything, but I do feel that it can be done on your own. So I'm going to start the timer now and we'll get to it. Okay, so first thing, doors open all the way. Now I just need to get under this. It should be fine.
It's definitely a two-person job.
Here, just guide me. No, it's not doable on your own. Maybe if I was better set up from the get-go, but no. Okay, I caught my breath a little bit. So now I'm gonna go to the bolts that I took off for the roof. I'm gonna put the ones on top first. And when we put it down, there were little guide pins to line everything up. So everything's lined up. And get up here. So there's only one bolt on each side for the top. Still out of breath. Tighten that down. There. Do the other side. So I do think that maybe once I have a stand built for the top where it can be at the height and slide it on, I'll be able to do it myself. But as you saw, I tried and that wasn't gonna happen. Not without damage anyway. And as I mentioned during my video for taking them off, I'm going to use my impact driver next time with a bit, just so it's faster. Now I'm gonna have 4 bolts per side, and they're all the same. So, see how well it lines up. I'm just gonna put them all loose, and this is from my Jeep days. If you tighten the first one, the last one usually wouldn't line up, so that's almost it. Careful not to smash that window. There. Snug. Doesn't Jeep don't they have kits where they make like a quick release pin for these too? Or wing nuts. Wing nuts is what I think I've seen. So you don't need any tools, but at least Ford supplies the tool set. There. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put the front ones in on both sides. Dave was saying a good point. Maybe like next summer, I probably wouldn't put all of them back in. Probably just put the main 4 if I'm gonna be taking it on and off all summer. But since I'm not gonna take it off again because winter's coming, I'm just gonna tighten them all up.
Is there a soft top for these?
Yeah, you can get a 2-door soft top. Here, last one. So we're almost done. It's not bad. There, one last step. So we had our electrical connector here. So pull that out. And our windshield wiper. That's just the storage spot. You can see up here, you got your connector right here for your windshield wash. Just reconnect it. There. And your electrical. Good to go. Last step, we're just going to put the 2 top panels on. I'm not quite sure which one goes first. I'm just going to put them both on and line them up. So this will go here, and I'll open up the latch here before I put it back on. Up here. Okay. There's guide pins, so it goes in fairly easy. Passenger should have went in first. As you can see here, there's a seal, so I'll just loosely put it up there. Now I was able to just slide it in anyway. Good. There. There. Front there. Clip there. Here. 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 There. And done. And that's it for the front. And that's it. 10 minutes, 37 seconds. If I wasn't so full of myself and didn't try to do it myself to start with, and I let Dave help me right away, would probably shave, what, 3 minutes of me struggling and trying to catch my breath. So under 10 minutes, you can definitely put this back together. So yeah, if you found this helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Lots more Bronco videos coming out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.